finally get to start recording this shit. Alright, first time PC builder. Pretty well just got the understanding, just plug and play really, right? We will see. I guess if you care to see what I'm working with. I have no idea what's going on here, first time. Wish me luck. Backstory, I will be doing mild gaming, probably just Call of Duty, mainly zombies, and video editing, trying to get this down pat, as you see, double videoing it. Alright, now get the case over here and I'm about to use the water cooler and I think I got the wrong shit, possibly. Oh, no A&D, Intel, all the way. cooler and fan install was, needless to say, a motherfucker. But she's in there. I like how it's placed. I should have plenty of room to put some exhaust fans. Okay, I'm absolutely going nuts. I'm extremely tired. Trying to do perfect cable management, but that is not working. Oh, and also, I am missing a couple wires for my CPU water cooler. So, I had to take that dude out for right now. And here is the mess I'm working with currently. Love it, hate it, super mess. I'm extremely close to starting this dude up. Hopefully. Read through some manuals, check it all out, get on the damn screw. Kind of upset about the whole CPU cooler, but order some wires, be good to go. Alright, so here goes fucking nothing. Been working on this thing for like 3 hours. Power supply is on. Oh, you gotta plug it in. Shoe boy. About to shit a fucking brick. Don't mind the mess. Have a lot of fucking cleaning to do. Oh, my board is lighting up. That's golden news, my mouse. Oh. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Dude, it's quiet. Oh, yeah.